Temu coupon not working. How to fix Temu coupon problem. If your coupon on Temu app is actually not working, it's usually because the code needs to be activated before you add items to your cart, or your order does not meet specific rules like minimum spend limits or new user account restrictions. So do not just paste the codes at checkout. Many promotional campaigns require you to enter or activate the code through the app's search bar first, or link it to your session before building your cart. Large promotional or referral discounts are often strictly limited to brand new accounts or first-time orders. Check the fine print of your coupon. Your cart subtotal must reach the required threshold before the discount applies. And you can try to clear extra spaces, double check case sensitivity, and ensure you did not confuse the letters with numbers. And hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.